Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. And Jennifer, looking at the skies out there, a little bit cloudy.
Yeah, it is. That cloud cover's increasing. It's going to be a bit of a cloudy day, but it will feel decent. We're going to be seasonal. Then, the sun was peeking through some of this cloud cover, making for kind of a pretty view over Lake Superior. And that now is lifted a little bit more north in the sky, or higher up in the sky, rather, I should say. So over Marquette, it is 46 degrees at some calm conditions. The highlight for this week is that it's going to be an active week. We have a system that's going to bring in times of showers and thunder showers from today through Wednesday. So plan accordingly. Keep the umbrella in your vehicle or handy if you're going to be out and about throughout this time period. Set aside from that, we're also going to notice the heat and the humidity is going to increase ahead of that system, especially for tomorrow and Wednesday. After it moves out, things will be a little bit more normal, more seasonal and drier. Here we go for today. Low 70s in areas inland, and then we're going to see some 60s and 50s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Overnight lows will drop off into the 50s and some 60s out there. Here we go for tomorrow, and we'll really notice that warmth ramp up really only for a few counties. So that really includes Ontonagon, Iron, and parts of Gogivet counties that will likely reach the upper 80s along the Wisconsin state line there. Elsewhere, it'll be a little bit cooler. 71 is where we're supposed to be at for this time of year. So this is why that's going to occur. The jet stream, we have this big ridge that will amplify right over us for tomorrow through Wednesday. With this setup, it usually brings in warmer air, and it also usually brings in some moisture. So we're going to notice the humidity increase as well. Then we're on the periphery of this area of ridge and high pressure. Just to the west of that, we have a developing system. That's the one that's going to bring in the times of those showers and thunderstorms, which eventually tracks north of us on Wednesday through Thursday. So here we go. Tomorrow into Wednesday, you'll really notice that moisture ramp up, those dark shades of green, indicating the humid air as those dew points will climb into the 60s. At the surface, we have departing high pressure just to our east. Disturbance off to the Pacific Northwest. We'll be bringing in those showers and thunderstorms, and that front will eventually move through on Wednesday. At the moment, though, we have a cluster of showers and thunderstorms over western Lake Superior, over the Apostle Islands, dumping some heavy rain as well as some lightning there. So this cluster is going to continue to track into parts of the western UP throughout the morning hours. Here we go. You can see those dark shades of red right overhead. So this could also be bringing in some pockets of moderate to heavy rain through about mid-morning. Watch. Here's 9 o'clock in the morning as that cluster moves into those western counties, quickly moves out by about midday. The bulk of the day looks to remain dry with cloudy skies, but late afternoon we'll have some widely isolated rain showers work into the south and central areas. Tomorrow we do have some widely isolated showers and thunderstorms, especially just to our north, looking like a cluster could skirt just along Lake Superior early in the morning through about midday, and then those showers and thunderstorms ramp up yet again for tomorrow night into Wednesday. Rainfall amounts not impressive as widespread, but western spots could push around half of an inch of rain through Wednesday. No severe weather threat today, but there is one for tomorrow, a level 1 out of 5, and that indicates that a few of those thunderstorms could reach severe limits, producing some small hail and some gusty winds for tomorrow. Bigger day of concern, though, will be Wednesday. That's when we'll likely have a better, more widespread chance for showers and thunderstorms, of which could likely be severe. So really, if one day is going to be embedded in your brain, Wednesday would be the day to really take note of, and for you to kind of download our TV6 weather app, pay attention to the radar on that day for updates and seeing how that evolves.
All right, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Getting it in my brain.
Yep, there we go.
All right, thanks, Jennifer. Coming up, we're taking a live look at Northern Michigan University's production of Footloose the Musical.